Hi guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So first step, let's create a new background. Right mouse, new and solid. Add name background, click OK. Then go to Effects preset, search Effect Fill. Select this fill, let's use for or this background. And go to click color cube. Let's change color like this. Click OK. And select this solid lock layer. Then go to pen tool. And let's make lines like this. Okay, then click selection tool and go to fill. Let's click fill and select this none. Click OK and go to stroke. Let's change stroke color like this and click OK. Then change stroke width and go to mask. Let's hold mask icon and select this convert vertex tool. Then go to select this vertex and hold vertex. Make smooth like this and select this vertex, make smooth, and this. Okay, and this vertex and this and this. Okay, nice. Then click selection tool and in this time let's change name line 1 and let's open options, contents and shape 1. Open path 1. Let's select this path. Then go to window, open create nulls from path. Then when we select this path, click this trace path and close this window and let's see. Okay, nice. So, but this animation only 1 second and this is loop animation. Let's select this null object, press U for see keyframes and open this expression. Let's click this for edit expression and let's delete all these expression codes. Then for done expression, click this empty area and let's see. Okay, nice. Let's select this keyframe, move to here for a second and let's see. Okay, good. So in this time let's close these settings and go to shape layers. Let's select this ellipse tool and hold shift, make one ellipse. Click selection tool and go to stroke width, change stroke flat green color and click OK. Let's change stroke width and open fill, change fill color like this. Click OK and let's change name object and let's move to here. Select this object, move to here and let's parent to this object null object. Okay, let's see. Let's again. Okay, let's see. We have problem. Let's solve it. Okay. Let's select this object and move to here. Let's see again. Let's move to here. Okay, nice. So let's select this object, press S, change scale like this. Okay, very nice. Okay, in this time, let's select this line and go to add, open this trim paths and trim paths 1 open here and go to here. Let's select this null object, press U for see keyframes, and select this end. Let's parent these keyframes, progress keyframes. Click here for done expression. Let's see. Okay, very nice and easy. Yes. Let's go to shape layers and let's select random wrenchel tool and make one wrenchel here. Okay, click selection tool and let's close stroke width 0. Go to fill color. Let's select color to green. Click OK and let's open wrenchel 1 and open wrenchel path 1. Change roughness to like this, 80. Okay. Then select this and let's open here wrenchel 1 and go to here. Click this icon, change size 0, make size keyframe and go to 5 keyframes. Change size like this. Select keyframes, make ease. Go to graph editor, make smooth graph. And move to right this graph, let's see. Okay, go to graph editor again, let's move to left. Okay, let's move to left this keyframe. Okay, nice. Then select this text and click here and click selection tool. This is empty text layer and go to effects presets, search effect number and select this effect from text folder. Let's use for this empty text layer and select font. Let's use Gabo Drive and center and click OK. Let's move to here this text and change fill color 0. Okay, and change size. Okay, and first step, let's change these places 0 and let's go to here, make value offset random keyframe and go to here and in this time make this 525. Click enter. Let's see. Okay, good. And let's move to here, change size like this and select the shape layer and this text. Let's move to here. Okay, select this text. Let's move to right and move to here. Let's see. Okay, select this text, press U for see keyframes and let's move to right this keyframe. Okay, select keyframes, make ease. Let's see. Let's make smooth graph. Let's see. Okay, nice. So select this keyframe, move to right and move to left. Okay, good. And let's go to text. Let's write plus symbol. Click OK. Click selection tool. Go to color. Change color yellow. And move to here. Press S. Change scale. Okay. And select these two text layers. Go to here. Press T. Change opacity 0. Make opacity keyframe. Go to here and change 100. Let's see. Let's select keyframes. Move to right. Okay, nice. And let's press S. Select this plus text icon and make scale keyframe. Change 0. Go to 3 keyframe. 1 to 3. Change 60. go to again 3 keyframe, 1 to 3, change 25, go to again 3 keyframe, 1 to 3, change 75, go to 3 keyframe again, 1 to 3, change 22, and select these keyframes, make ease, and Ctrl C, Ctrl V for loop animation. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, Ctrl C, go to here, Ctrl V, and here. Let's see. Okay, nice. So, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.